Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this automatic art generator, which is Artbreeder. So here's a breakdown. The Artbreeder is an AI art platform that's all about evolving image instead of just generating them from scratch. You can start with existing image or template and tweak slides for traits like styles, color, expression, and more, almost like breeding picture together. It's great for character design, landscape, short art, conceptual experimentation because you can blend and refine art in way most generators don't let you. The pros also include the intuitive evolution control, collaborative remixing with other user creation, and a unique creative workflow that's fun, inspiring rather than strictly technical. But Artbreeder isn't the best choice if you want a straightforward prompt to final art with perfect realism every time. Its output are more stylized and can feel unpredictable unless you spend time learning the slide. And the free tier is fairly limited in Revolution and the download option. So talking about the pro side, the con side, the cons include the limited high result download without a paid plan, a steeper learning curve for few users, and results that aren't always as polished as prompt-based generator like Midjourney do. So my opinion, I actually think if you love to create exploration and evolution style art, Artbreeder is absolutely worth using in 2025, but it's not the best for traditional prompts to image realism. But it's uniquely powerful and inspiring in its own niche, and that's all I could say. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.